Welcome to the channel, guys. Today's problem is about reshaping the data using pivot function. Here we need to simply write a solution to pivot the data so that each row represents temperatures for a specific month and each city is a separate column. Here they have given one example where each month is in the first column with the distinct values as months, and the cities are separated with the two columns which uniquely identifies the temperature with respect to each month. So in order to execute this, we will simply make the use of Pandas function pivot, where we will simply pass three hyperparameters. First one is the indexed, which will be for the month, which will be the first column, which will uniquely represents all the months. And is for the second hyperparameter, it will be columns that will pass as city, because we want the city to be represented as distinct column. And for the values, we will simply pass the temperature. Let's begin to execute the code. Here we will simply return our data frame, which is weather, using pivot function. And here first hyperparameter will be indexed as month, columns will be city, and the values are definitely the temperature. Let's try to run our code. The code has successfully passed the given test case. Let's try to submit the code and let's check whether it passes all the hidden test cases. You can check out, guys, the code has successfully passed all the test cases. If you like my approach, please do like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.